So what were we doing? We were looking at returning the complete path in this Dijkstra's algorithm code. So there are a few different tests we want to run with that. We can probably rely mostly on our smaller tests. Again, I'll probably actually, I'll be able to maybe take the smallest case from Dijkstra, or I should say the advent of code. So we'll do these 4 cases and say, okay, what's the actual path? So we'll say Dijkstra path 1. And that should give us what exactly? It's total distance of 14. I forget what. I think it's actually just along here. So the output chord should have, assuming we imported details, which we didn't. Oh wait, chord actually probably comes from here. I guess we're just doing integer tuples. Okay, fine. I keep switching back and forth between different repositories, and that stuff happens when I do that. Okay, so what's our answer? I believe our answer, the path of 14, we go, it should be zero, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because it's, is this right? 5, 7, 11, 13, or 12, 13, 14. Yeah, I think that's the correct path. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it's just 1, 2, 3, 4. I believe that's the correct path. I'm going to comment out these cases for now, because they take a bit longer to run. This one. Whoops. No, I don't want this. Okay, so it's not right here. Oh, is that correct? Oh, that's also a valid path, totally. Let's make this 2, just to resolve that ambiguity. So instead of 0, 4, it goes 1, 3, and 1, 4. Okay, so that's good. Now there are a couple of edge cases here. So one edge case we can sort of do in this case. So we can ask ourselves, okay, what is the shortest path from 2, 2 to 2, 2? And that should just be 2, 2. Okay, good. So that would be a little bit strange if it wasn't the case. I have to make some adjustments, but anyways, suppose we are starting at 2, 2, and we just want to get to 2, 1. Again, should be 2, 2, 2, 1. Okay, so now I want to think about a graph, and I'm not sure this graph has anything that's like disjoint. So let's think about basic inputs here. So AD, so let's go here. So let's go to path. Graph from AD. So what is our length 40 path in this case? From A to D we go, I believe, A to C, C to D. So this should be and this 32 path in our second graph, I believe is probably A to B, B to E, E to D. Okay, let's make sure those work. Let's also go ahead and add just an extra node here, just 2 extra nodes here. G, and G goes to nothing. Make sure I haven't altered anything super problematic there. So now let's try going from A to F, and that should be empty. Good. We do want to do like extra 3, and say A to F, this should be infinity. Okay, so these cases are looking good so far, and now we want a test case for what other case do we need? So we want to do this first element of code, and we want to get a path, because that one's not too unreasonable. Am I still logged in here? No. Maybe if I go here. Yes, I am logged in here. Good. So our first one, I'll just sort of show this on screen to show what I'm sort of working with here. We want to replicate this path as a test case, and maybe it's kind of big. I don't know if we're going to do that case. Yeah, let's just do this case. So okay. What do I do? It's gonna sort of look like this, I guess. Same general concept. Two comma O, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now it's 3, 6, 7, 4, 7, 4, 8, no, 5, 7. 3, 7, 4, 7, 5, 7, 5, 8, 5, 8, 5, 9, or no, 5, 8, 6, 8, 7, 8, 8, 8. 8, 8, and then we go 8, 9, and then 9, 9. So find shortest path with case 1. And we're going from 0, 0 to 0, 9, 9. And this is equal to, let's see about that. I maybe transcribed this. Okay, 4, 7. Okay, I guess I missed something here. Oh, is it? Yeah, 2, 6, 3, 6, 3, 7, 4, 7, 5, 7. Oh, wait, no, you say 4, 7, 4, 8. Oh, really? Oh, I see, I see. Again, I'm going to resolve that little ambiguity by opening up the file slash A15 basic. And where are we? Are we at this 1? Yeah, we're at this little 1 intersect. Suppose I do this. Okay, now it works. Cool. So I guess I'll just do Dijkstra combined. And this is just going to be dist 40 AOC path 1, so put them both in a tuple. And now we'll uncomment these cases. Oops. Oh. Rats, okay. So that changed things in the other solution. Okay, so okay, I'm just gonna change this, I guess. Oh, what? Wait, no. Wait, now I'm confused. What did I do? Wait, what just happened? No, wait, another one? What? No, that's not a problem. Oh, darn it. Why can you suddenly not read this? That's annoying. Didn't need an issue like this. Why? Why are you like this? There's no changes to the file. doesn't work. Yeah, that's what I get for doing Windows. Probably has something to do with the line endings. I don't know. It reads the first line fine, and then I suspect. Wait, or it's trying to read. I don't know why you're going. It thinks there are supposed to be 10 columns. And it's all line ending garbage. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, these issues are annoying. These issues are annoying. Maybe I need to. Maybe I can't open this from IntelliJ. Maybe I need to. Or what if I just. It's regarding it as having 9 rows and 10 columns, which means, or rather that or 11 columns, I should say, 10 rows and 11 columns, which means it's carriage return. But I feel like the lines function should deal with that. Where am I even getting this function from? I'm using lines, like... It seems like it really shouldn't be this complicated. But consequences of really annoying decisions by Windows and everyone else to use different endings. I don't need to do this. Why does it do this? This is enormously frustrating. That it suddenly decided it cannot read this file that it was reading 5 minutes ago. Ay, ay, ay. It's the same file, and it now has decided to read it incorrectly. And it works fine on the final. No issues there. Like, no issues. They have the exact same format, and it's just complaining for no good reason. Yeah, it's getting this carriage return, and I cannot get rid of that. Like, lines, the lines function really ought to deal with that. I'm really surprised it doesn't. Unless somehow I've introduced 2 carriage returns. Yeah, it is the standard Windows thing of carriage return and new line, and it just can't deal with that. Yeah, it's just I don't know how to get rid of the carriage return. Hold on. Let me Google that. Nice. Empty input. What is going on here? And now it's empty. How on earth is it empty? Well, that doesn't make any sense. That does not make any sense at all. Well, if you tune in for a stream today, I'm sorry you've had to watch me just fighting with stupid new line issues. This is really not what I hope to have on stream. Especially when it was the first 10 minutes, it was all going fine, and then everything just absolutely miserably failed because of stupid issues with carriage returns and new lines. Let me double check this command. It's supposed to be running. Works. and now the issue is back to what it originally was, so let's change our library function so it doesn't print everything anymore. Why did you change this? Where did this? Don't print. Okay. This was the issue. Sorry, this I just was too stubborn to just change my test case instead of this. Instead of doing this. Okay, so instead of going to 5.7, we just go to 4.8. We'll just leave it there. Okay, so now I'd say we've done some reasonably good testing on, let me just do one more here on this case. Just want to make sure we've combined the empty path correctly. But okay, so we have tests for this Dijkstra stuff, and now basically there are a couple different directions I can go. One is I can continue going through my Advent of Code stuff and just continue to develop what I think to be reasonable generalized algorithms. I can also think about, like, hey, can I make can I just focus in on this Dijkstra's issue and just actually make a package that other people can use and put that up on Hackage and that sort of thing. That would be kind of cool. I think I'll probably spend, I'm only going to do one more streaming session this week because I'm on vacation Thursday through Sunday. So I'll probably spend some time looking into that on the stream tomorrow morning, and then after that's done, after I've like created some material around Dijkstra's algorithm, I'll probably for my streaming I'll probably start looking at more generalized stuff that we can use for some of the other problems. With that said, thank you for tuning in this morning, and like I said, tomorrow morning, Wednesday morning, we'll have one more streaming session this week. Goodbye.